Hey everyone, so as you could tell by the title, I just wanted to quickly show you how you can read the date that your tires were manufactured. So if you come to your sidewall, you'll see all the writing and stuff. So you want to look for this DOT right here. And then you follow it to the very end, you'll see it circled 7121. So the first two are the week that it is manufactured, and the last is the year. But there's only like 52 weeks in a year, right? So 7121 doesn't work. So if you find something like that on your tire, you just want to look on the inside of the tire and it will tell you the correct date. So if I look on the inside of my tire, it's actually 2721. So these were made the 27th week of 2021.
And you can see the DOT and 2821.
So I was wrong before. I thought it said 2721, but yeah, 2821. Again, thank you for watching. Leave a thumbs up and subscribe, and thank you again.